Okay, so you didn't see this last night because the thing ran out of battery, but I couldn't get this damn fill plug. I don't think we ever took the fill plug out of this, that's the problem. So we're going to try heating it up. I squished some stuff in it last night. Yeah, heat juice, as Derek says. I'm right next to that gasoline, I better be careful. My experience. I don't know if I should be heating the alloy or heating the steel. Just don't know. We'll heat it up and see what happens. I think the impact driver was giving me the best purchase on the thing. I suddenly thought as I was banging on it that I might break it. Gearbox itself, right? That's what I'm getting at. Break the gearbox. You know, I'm thinking as I say that, that's highly unlikely, but I don't know how unlikely it is. Okay, here we go. Impact driver. Once again. I feel this is set wrong because it's moving way too easily. I can't remember exactly how you set it, but I've only ever used it for taking things off, so it can't be set wrong, can it? No. Nope. Oh my God. Big impact driver on it last night. Didn't do nothing. Batteries are going on this. It's okay. This one. Well, it's turning, but it ain't turning what it's supposed to turn. That's need an adapter for that. It's the 1/2 inch. That baby. Crazy. Gonna have to play about with it a bit more, huh? I guess. It's going in and out of gear, but the clutch didn't seem to be doing anything. It is, it's actuating, you can see it. And it's pushing the carriage forward there. See it pushing the carriage forward? But I don't think it's disengaging those, the little teethy thingy bobs, you know. So do I need to adjust that pedal back a bit and give myself more push? You know what I mean? And that is super easy action, but it's not. Ah, there you go. There was another little bit of play on that. Try it again. It's ticking over just a bit fast, but I can't actually get it to tick over slowly. I'll try it again. I'll not try it again. It is red hot. So just those couple of minutes without any cooling. Don't want to bust a cylinder head gasket when I got to this point, right? I think when I used my foot, I actuated it. So just to make sure, I'll try it again when I come back. I'm going on vacation today. So at least we know. I had to set the timing up a little bit. The timing had wandered, I don't know why. Just a couple of ticks on the distributor, just shifted it around a bit, and it started right off the button. So that's good. So we'll leave it just now. I don't want to rush nothing, and I'll come back to it later.